welcome to my YouTube channel. Seems like everyone's doing this these days, so I figured might as well too. You know, there's so I enjoy restoring old cars, old British sports cars mostly. Used to do this when I was a teenager, and now that I'm much older and I had to take a hiatus, now I've finally got a spot with my own garage, not going anywhere, so it's nice digging back in. So I started this journey back about a year and a half ago, and well, it's addictive, so here I am. And in this, I've been really enjoying watching a lot of other people's channels. So, and seeing their builds and following what they're doing, joining these Facebook groups and forums, and the short of it is there's a lot of really awesome people out there doing this too, and it's been great connecting with them. Back when I was working on an MG and a Lotus back when I was a teenager, and I think the best we had was like Yahoo groups, and so a lot of the resources that are around now weren't around back then. So anyhow, figured I'd welcome you to the channel, and we'll just see kind of how this plays out. And I'll show you a quick tour around the garage. There's not much to it, but hey, it's a garage and I got a place to work, which is totally awesome. So let's go for a little walk here. It's early February in North Carolina, so it's a bit chilly. There's my heater. I sometimes have it on, but not today because I got the door open. So here's where I got tools, refreshment station, so forth. Here's where we'll start. 1969 Triumph GT6 Mark II. Got this about a year and a half ago. Wanting to build a Spit 6, which is, those of you who may not know, it's a GT6 guts with a Spitfire body. So it's a really fun, fast car. So I got the car for mostly the rolling chassis. The body is just absolute rust and in horrible shape. So we're going to have fun with that. And then it's been, I fell in love with the body shape and everything about the GT6. So I happened to find a second rolling chassis of a GT6. So picked that up. And so this one's originally was in jasmine white. And ironically, the chassis is also from a 1969 Mark II in jasmine white, so I guess that's about as close as you can get. Well, I'll do individual introduction videos on all the different cars, so you can show you around a little bit more. But they're rough. Over here, I got here's the Spit 6 that I'm building. I've done a lot of the metal work already. Like I said, I'm a year and a half into it, but just now getting inspired to do this channel, watching other people's channels. One of the ones that's been great is Rusty Beauties. I highly recommend that channel. Lynn's so great about like breaking down information and teaching you how to do stuff. So he's been really good inspiration, along with a lot of other people. Various tools and things like that. And I'll take you out here. I've got a 76 Spitfire 1500 that I got, gosh, last fall, and it had been sitting in the garage forever, not running, and I got it running, and so now this is my daily driver. So, party time, excellent. I know, it's addictive, but you probably know that if you're here. So got fiberglass linen bonnet on the GT6, I'm sorry, on the Spit 6. So there's my quick little introduction video. It's a quaint garage, but I enjoy it. And here we have it.